This section provides an overview of how to start using the CBM-910 Type II Impact printer. The power should be turned off. Looking at the rear of the printer, you will see a protruding part. Place your finger here and lift it up. The front of the cover is a hook. When installing the cover, insert the hooks before closing the cover. Next, set the ribbon cassette. Insert the ribbon cassette straight down from directly above to get it in the correct position. It is easier to understand if you set the ribbon cassette while looking at the uneven part at the bottom of the cassette. To remove the ribbon cassette, pull up on the groove marked pull. When you remove the ribbon cassette, you will see a steel plate about 6 cm wide at the back. In the front, you will see a plastic trapezoidal part about 4 cm wide. Inside the ribbon cassette you will see a ribbon. This ribbon fits between the steel plate in the back and the plastic part in the front. It is set in the correct position by inserting it straight down from the top. The order starting from the back is the steel plate, ribbon, then plastic trapezoidal part. After the ribbon cassette is set, turn the knob on the left side clockwise a little to take up the slack in the ribbon. Next, load the paper. Use a ruler or the like to cut the end of the paper straight, not by hand. The trick is to cut at a slight angle, not straight across. This will make it easier to insert the paper later. Load the paper roll into the printer body. The paper should be positioned to pass under the roll to enter the printer. Press the left side paper holder outward. Insert the paper roll's right side core, then the left side core. Place the tip of the paper into the printer. The position for inserting the paper is the gap between the white part and the black part at the bottom of the printer. One. Insert the tip of the paper into the printer. 2. Turn on the printer. 3. Press the select switch. 4. While the select switch is off, press the line feed switch. If the paper tip is inserted properly, the paper will come out of the ribbon cassette. If the paper does not come out at this point, reinsert the paper tip. If the paper is not inserted deep enough, the printer mechanism will simply spin idly and the paper will not be fed. Make sure that the paper is inserted and the paper tip comes out 5 to 6 centimeters from the inside of the ribbon cassette. Insert the paper into the paper exit of the paper cover and close the cover. The line feed switch to feed paper cannot be used when the select lamp is lit. The select lamp must be lit to print. After loading the ribbon cassette and paper, perform a test print. Turn off the power. While holding down the line feed switch, turn on the power. The printer's current settings will be printed. This completes our overview of to start using the CBM-910 Type 2.